Hello friends, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you how to do a seal. So I'm going to put it on my envelope card, that I call it. I'm going to attach the video to this card here at the end of this video if you missed that last week. So I got a dirty piece of paper here. It will get more dirty. I'm using the copper embossing powder. Could use a new one of that, right? I'm using the heavy cardstock, and I'm gonna do the 1.5 circle punch here. So let me punch one of that. Now we're gonna use the Versamark. Let me remove that, and we're gonna tap this here. Oops. And then we're gonna cover that with embossing powder. I don't know which side it was. I think this is the side. Here we go. And I'm gonna shake this. Even if I don't have it all, we're gonna come back over and over. So let me remove that. Gonna put that there, and we're gonna emboss that. I use a foil because the foil absorbs the heat and it goes faster. So we're going to do this, and some people say 3 times, 4 times. I like to do it 5 times. I'm going to do it twice, and then I'm going to have a pause and then come back. And this one, it's all, it was not much there. I could go right back and put the powder on it, but sometimes it dries a little bit too fast, depending how big your piece is, really. So after it's cool off a bit, so it's not sticky, I'm going to come back with my Versamark. And this here, I need to do that 4 times, and then the 5th time we're going to do our imprint. So let me do another time here, and then we're going to speed up the process here with the magic of the camera. And we're going to put that back there and emboss. Okay, now this is going to be the 5th time here. So I'm just going to let it cool off a little bit. And while this cool off, we're going to prepare our stamp. So the stamp set that I'm using for today, it's stitched all around, and it's "You Are My Sunshine, My Only." You get the thank you in there. The one that I shared that was done, the thank you for caring, that it's labeled me pretty. So those one I thought were nice to do the circle. I'm gonna ink my stamp with Versamark. That's gonna help not to get all sticky on the embossing powder. I'm looking for, well, here we go. Now we're going to ink that one more time. So this is the 5th time here, okay? Some people say 3 times, 4 times. I like to do it 5 times. The 5th time here, that's when we will do our imprint. So let me remove this. Now let me bring that. The last time I like to do it right on here because we're going to stamp. So let's melt that back. And you want it all smooth. There we go. It's getting there. So if it bubbles, keep on embossing till it's all, you see, there it's bubbled. You're going to keep on embossing till it's all smooth. That looks very runny and juicy. I'm going to bring my ink pad while it's hot and put a big impression on it. Keep the weight on it. So keep on pressing on it. And press. And now when you lift, you want to lift straight up. Et voila! See how cool that is. One thing that I'm not happy with, I didn't line up my stamp very well. You see this is off. That's okay. What I can do is take my scissors right here and we're going to shrink this here a bit. Here we go. We're going to shrink our seal. So then it's more all circle. I don't have that big gap there. So if that would be the case, don't sweat the small stuff, I say. Just round that up a bit there. Et voila. So now I got, oh, I can right here maybe a bit. The other one didn't happen, so it's a reason why that happened. Now you can see, you are my sunshine, my only. I got a very nice imprint. Now for putting that on my card, I'm going to use one stamping dimensional. I'm going to close my card. I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to line that up right here. Put that in the center. Press that there. So now I got my seal and you still can open your card. So when you slide it in, punch that under, et voila, my friend. So this, like I explained when I did this card, you can mail it the way that I did the card envelope. You can mail it in a clear envelope, so it's kind of fun, right? And if you mail it in a clear envelope, you need a non-machinable stamp. That is the butterfly. And this I'm talking about the US. Mailing at a different country, I don't have no clue. But so that don't go in the machine. You would put the address there, returning address. Make sure you put your stamp on the outside. And when they get it, see, is that fun? So that is it on how I done my seal. So hope you enjoyed this. All the product will be listed for this card and this, and also the cards for the video for this card going to be at the end of this video also. So again, the link for my blog, it's right below or above in the eye. Thank you so much and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye bye for now.